Let's begin us with the recipe. I have used here breast pieces of chicken, and I will wash it and I will cut into fillets. You can do it in the shop or at home easily, or you can buy it from the supermarket. The chicken fillets easily available in the supermarket, so you can get there. Now by using a hammer, I'm going to flatten the chicken pieces, and so that the fiber separates and it cooks evenly from all the sides. And now I will take out in the plate and I will add some salt and pepper on both the sides of the chicken pieces and mix it well. Now I'm going to use some onion powders. It is optional. If you have, you can use, otherwise you can skip it, and sprinkle it over the chicken pieces and mix it well. And now I'm taking some garlic herbs that is easily found in all the shopping mall or in any grocery stores. You will find it, and some oregano I'll add here. I have used here garlic bread seasoning, which is easily available, so you can take that, and the zest of the lime. I'm going to add this for a little bit of lemony flavor and rest it for 1 hour. After resting it for an hour, now it's ready to take the second step. And now I will take here 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, add some salt and pepper into it, around about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of pepper. Mix it well, and now I will take some breadcrumbs, and I need here 2 to 3 eggs. So I'll beat it with some salt and mix it well. Now I will take this marinated chicken, dip into the maida or flour properly, coat it properly from all the sides, and drop into the beaten egg, coat it well from all the sides. And now in the breadcrumbs I'm going to coat this, and for just we have to do this only once. You need not to repeat this thing to get a thinner coat. Again the same process I'm doing. Firstly I'll take the marinated chicken, dip it into the maida or all-purpose flour, then into the egg, and again into the breadcrumbs once, and it's done. I have finished coating my chicken, and now it's time for frying. I will add here round about 1/4 cup of oil, and I will heat the pan and add the chicken pieces and cook in medium flame till it's golden brown from all the sides. And enjoy this recipe, and do let me know in the comment section how did you like the easy dinner recipe. And please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care. You can serve this with some French fries.